Hi all, welcome back to my channel which is dedicated to the concepts related to data science and analytics industry. Today we are discussing a very important and useful topic related to SQL, that is ranking. Before we proceed further, in case you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe by clicking on subscribe button and share it with all learning enthusiasts to encourage free learnings. Once subscribed, you can click on bell icon to remain informed about all new videos. Today we will be learning about what is ranking and how ranking is done in SQL. There are three primary functions in SQL which are used for ranking. These are row number, rank and dense rank. But we will try to understand what is the difference between these three and how ranking is performed using these three functions. Let's first try to understand what is the difference between the three type of functions that we just discussed and how ranking is attained using these three functions. For understanding this, we have taken a simple example wherein we have two customers, one with the customer ID 9001 and another one with the customer ID 9002. Both of these customers are buying shoe related products and have attained certain sales against those shoe brands. We want to see which is the most preferred brand by each customer by ranking them basis the amount that they have spent on a particular brand of shoe. If we try to rank, we would notice what would be the difference achieved using the three functions. As discussed earlier, there are three functions in SQL to create ranks in SQL. One is row number, second one is rank, and third one is dense rank. When we try to use row number, what happens is, if you notice these two examples, the first customer has bought 5 products: Reebok, Puma, Adidas, Fila and Bata. Second customer has bought again 5 products: Adidas, Puma, Fila, Bata and Reebok. If we notice the amount spent on these 5 products, we would notice that the first customer has spent 4546 on Reebok, but has spent equal amount on Puma, Adidas and Fila, which is 3480, and the least amount has been spent on Bata, which is 3349. On the other hand, second customer has spent different amount on different products. This is simple and straightforward in case of second customer because every value is different and rank attained can be sequential, but different lies on the basis of the values which are generated against the first customer. Let's try to understand how values are generated against rank for each of these two customers. If we go for the row number basis of rank, we would notice that it assigns a serial number in order of the values. So the first value 4546, which is the highest value, will be assigned a rank 1, and the other three which are exactly same will be assigned a rank in sequence order of 2, 3, 4. So automatically Puma has become by default an important product in comparison to Adidas, and Adidas has automatically become an important product in against Fila while all these products have exactly same amount. They have been attained or provided different rank by row number. In second case, it is simple and straightforward since it has assigned on the basis of the value. The values again has been assigned as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the basis of the amount that has been spent. So the row number assigns the rank in case of sequence, and the problem lies when the exact same values occurs in the data. On the other hand, when we go with the rank function, the rank function obtains rank in different way. It will be giving us same rank which row number gave in case of second customer because all the values are different. So highest value will attain rank 1 and lowest value will attain rank 5, and you can rank in opposite order as well from the lowest to highest. That is completely your choice, but we have taken the highest to lowest, so highest value will attain the rank 1 and lowest value will attain the rank 5. But in case of the first customer where three values are exactly same, the rank function will assign the highest value as 1, but the other three which are exactly same will be provided a exact same rank which is 2, 2, 2. Since three positions have already been captured, it will take the next position, which is 5. So 3 is missing, 4 is missing, because it can't provide 3 and 4th rank. So it will drop those ranks and will take up the next rank, which is 5. So the first value will attain 1, the second value will attain 2, the third value will attain 2 because it is same, otherwise it would have got 3. Next value will go again get 2 because the value is same, otherwise it would have got 4, and the next value, which is the lowest, will attain 5. So all the values which are getting exactly same values will be assigned a same rank. The problem that happens with such type of scenarios is, if we filter out that if we want to pick up the top 3 products of all the top 3 ranks of all the customers, we will miss out Bata in this case. And if in case there are many products, we will miss out Bata in that case. To counter that problem, we have another type of rank which is known as dense rank. Dense rank solves this problem in a different way. It will do the same task for different values like we have in the second customer. It will assign a sequential rank based on highest value to lowest value. But in case of the first customer, where we have same values against 3 brands, the highest value will get rank 1. The other same values will get exactly 2, but the next rank which comes in the sequence is 3 because 3 has not yet been assigned. So it will not drop this rank, instead it will wait for the next value to assign this rank. Hence you can use the dense rank to provide sequential ranks. So if your rank is not too complicated and you just want to directly apply a simple rank, you can use row number. If in case you want to give equal priorities and you want to drop the ranks which couldn't be assigned, you can use rank. Otherwise, if you want to go in sequence order and still want to give the same rank to all the values which have exactly same measure, you should use dense rank. Let's try to create these ranks in SQL and understand how these ranks are created. These 3 types of ranks are created in SQL. For understanding, I have already created the table which we discussed on in Excel, where we will attain the ranks. And let's try to see the contents of this table before we create ranks on it. The table is with the name rank example. Let's select and execute it. You would notice that we have exactly same table that we discussed in Excel. It has still 2 customers. One is 9001 and another one is 9002, and all the 5 products and the respective sales. Let's now create ranks basis row number first. As you saw, we have a table with the name rank example, and we will create rank in the same table. To create rank, we will use syntax select star, since we want to pick up all the columns, and we want to add additional column known as rank. The syntax is like this. We will write row underscore number. This is the function which generates row number over which we want to create rank. Partition by. Partition is used to separate out the group. So for each group, for which group we want to create ranks, we have to mention that group here. So we want to create rank against every customer, so we will use customer here. Order by. Order is against which value you want to create rank. We want to create rank against sales value, but rank should be assigned in descending order, so we will mark DESC. So partition is the group on the basis under which you want to assign rank, and order by is against the value using which you want to assign ranks. If you want to assign ranks from highest to lowest value, you should use descending order or DESC, and the name of the function is row underscore number. We should give it a name, otherwise it will come as a blank name, as rank created by row number. We will be picking the data from rank underscore example. Let's try to execute this and see what we achieve. As you would notice carefully that rank 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 has been assigned to the highest to lowest value, and against customer first same rank 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 has been assigned on the basis of highest to lowest value, and you would notice that 3480 value, which is exactly same, has been assigned 3 different ranks. Now to solve this problem we will be using second type of rank. The biggest advantage of these 3 types of ranking is they have exactly same syntax. We just need to change the name of the function. So for rank function we use rank and it will solve the problem. So rank using rank function. We are giving it a name so that it can be easily understood. Or we have kept a comma here. Let's re-execute. We would notice that the second rank has been generated, and if you would notice that 3480 has been assigned same rank, and the next value against 9001 customer has got rank 5. So 1, 2, 2, 2 and 5, and for this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because all the values are different for customer 9002. Now to create third type of rank where we don't want to have a 5 value, we want to have rank in sequence order, we will be using third type of rank. Thankfully we have same syntax for it as well. The only difference it will be is we will be using a different function known as dense rank. Let's remove the comma and re-execute and give it a different name, rank using dense rank function. And now you would notice that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 against customer 9002, but against 9001 you would notice that we have 1, 2, 2, 2 and 3. Here 1, 2, 2, 2 and 5, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So by this example I hope you would have understood how ranking differs in SQL and how you can attain different type of ranks in SQL. I hope you liked this video and you learned something new today. In case you have any doubt, you can comment out on the comment window. Kindly share and subscribe and help us promote free learnings. Thank you very much.